In the fast-moving world of industrial PCB design, collaboration isn't just helpful, it's essential. That's why Altium Designer, paired with the power of Altium 365, is a game changer for engineering teams. Without the right tools, miscommunication, version conflicts, and scattered feedback can slow progress and increase costly errors. In our latest webinar, you'll learn how to set up team roles and permissions for clear accountability, manage design tasks with precision, and use built-in version control to stay aligned. We also showcased real-time commenting, along with powerful integration with JIRA and streamlined design reviews. If you're ready to elevate your design workflow and improve collaboration across every phase, watch the recording now and see how Altium Designer and Altium 365 can transform your PCB design process.